Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your caption on Instagram once you've uploaded the picture already, okay? So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And now, you want to go to your profile by clicking the profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. And just go ahead and click on the post. So here, as you can see, my caption on this post is love, okay? So when you want to edit that, you want to scroll down, you want to scroll up until you see this three little dots at the upper right corner of your post. So just go ahead and click that and click on edit. So now here you can start editing your caption. So once you're happy with your caption, you can now click done here at the upper right corner of your screen. So let's just wait. So now, as you can see, the caption of my post is now edited. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.